Dumangas in Iloilo, bound for Bacolod. So today will be a long drive across Negros, no? From Bacolod to Dumaguete. So it's not in the port of Iloilo but in the port of Dumangas, no? Yung mga vehicles. The vehicles are here sa baba. Ayan na, punong-puno, no? And yan yung Ford Everest that we're driving back to Jensen. Akit tayo sa taas, ha? To see yung tayo here. Let us see. View dito sa loob. Let us see. So, mas klaro sa loob ng view. Let us see. Dito mas clear. This side very clear. Ayan, malakas yung araw. So that's Port of Dumangas, no? Or leaving slowly. And this is on board TriStar Ferry. Medyo mabagal siya compared with yung Pascat, no? Kasi this ferry parang niche niya mga vehicles. It take us more than 2 hours. Past 9 yung dating namin sa Bacolod. This area medyo mainit. Vehicles sa baba. This one. Ganda na, full blast na siya. Galing kami doon area, in that area. And there's Montenegro. Montenegro. There's need talaga better connectivity sa mga islands natin using mga bridges. More efficient yung transport of goods and services. Okay, bye-bye Iloilo. No? In 2 hours we'll be in Bacolod.